Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the size as well as the font color of subtitles in YouTube. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. And to do that, you're going to need to go into your phone settings. Then scroll down a little bit and find the section called Accessibility. And then you'll also need to scroll down a little bit more and find Subtitles and Captions. Next, select the Style section. And here you will need to click Create New Style. Next, you can create the style that you like. To do this, first choose the font itself, what kind of font it will be. Here you can choose absolutely any of those that are here. Next, go back in order to choose the size. Small, medium, larger, or extra large. You will also be able to choose a color here as well. Absolutely any font color you can choose. And then go back. And here also, if you want to, a little bit down at the bottom, you'll be able to customize other options as well. For example, you'll be able to customize the background color, whether it's going to be there at all. If it is, what color it's going to be. And you can also customize the transparency of the background. As you can see, either it's not going to be there at all, or it's going to be a little bit, and so on. This is how you can easily change the size and also the color of the subtitle font in YouTube. I really hope this video was helpful for you, friends. Please give your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.